If you're getting this error when you try to launch Meccha Chameleon game on your PC and the error says failed to get OnlineFix interface. Now this is very easy to fix. Ensure that you listen to this very carefully. Check your Windows Defender protection history and restore the quarantined file. After restoring them, add your game's installation folder to the Windows Defender exclusion list so that Defender does not remove those files again in the future. So here's how to do it. On your PC, press Window key plus I. Now this will open up your settings. Now on your settings, select privacy and security. Now select Windows security. Now on the Windows security, select here on virus and threat protection. Now on the virus and threat protection, you'll have to select here on the protection history. Now here you'll see all the list of the files that are blocked related to your game. Now ensure that you pass through each of every file. Now you can see here have only one file, but if you see many files here, make sure to pass through each and every of the files that you see here. For example, you can just select the drop down menu here and then click yes, and then you should see all the informations related to your game. So ensure that you check the affected items. It will be shown here. You can either see your game name, which will be Penguin Hotel, or you can check for the Meccha Chameleon. So whether if you see Penguin Hotel or Meccha Chameleon or Chameleon item which is shown here, you'll see an option to restore the file. Now this file has already been restored, that's why you don't see an option to restore, but for you, you'll have to see an option here to restore. If you don't see any of your game name, which is Penguin Hotel, Chameleon or Meccha Chameleon, you can just select this and then look for another file that is listed here. After restoring the file from this option here, and then make sure to go here to the virus and threat protection, and then scroll down, select on the virus and threat protection settings, select manage settings. Now scroll down and then add or remove exclusions. Click yes. Now add an exclusion. Select folder. Now make sure to browse to the location of installation for your game. Now my game is located on this PC and then which is located on the D drive. So make sure to browse to a game folder. For example, my game is found here on the Steam library, then Steam apps, common. It depends on where your game is installed. Now here's my game, which is Meccha Chameleon. So you'll have to select it and then select folder, and your game will be added here on the exclusion so that the next time you launch the game, it won't be deleted by your antivirus security and you'll no longer face this error which says failed to get OnlineFix interface.